Hey everyone, so I just wanted to pop in real quick and let you know about a new video that I'm going to be putting together. It's a yoga video and it's going to be called Look Ma, No Knees. My friend Lisa Gallico and I did a workshop at a library just recently, and one of the questions that we had a couple times, each of us had, was can you do yoga if you don't have to get down on your knees? Of course you can. So I know a lot of things that you see out there online, even if you go to a studio often, a lot of the poses, not always, require you to come down on your knees. Now you can certainly talk to your yoga teacher if you go into a studio and just kind of let them know that you have problems with your knees and they can offer modifications. So that's definitely an option there. If you wanted to do something online, it's kind of difficult to find something that will take you through a flow without actually getting down onto the mat and getting onto your knees. So I'm excited to say we're going to actually put something together. My friend Lisa and I are going to co-create. We're going to co-create one. And what I'm going to ask of you is if you could possibly like this and comment, maybe pass it along to some friends who you think might be interested, to see if we have some folks out there who would really appreciate seeing something like this. So we would offer it for free. And yeah, so just let me know if you think it's a good idea. All right, thanks guys. Bye.